Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Yahoo Mail has a clean and modern design that focuses on ease of use for everyone. When you first log in, you see a large central area where your emails are listed. Each line shows the sender's name, the subject of the message, and the time it arrived. On the left side of the screen, there is a vertical navigation bar. This bar contains your folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Spam. You will also see your custom folders listed here if you have created any. At the very top of the page, there is a prominent search bar. This helps you find specific messages quickly by typing in names or keywords. To the right of the search bar, you can find icons for home, mail, and news. The background of Yahoo Mail is usually white or light gray by default, but you can change it easily. There is a settings gear icon in the top right corner. Clicking this allows you to pick different themes, colors, and layout styles. You can choose a dark mode or even a scenic background image. On the far right side of the screen, there is a narrow strip with small icons. These icons give you quick access to your calendar, contacts, and notepad without leaving your inbox. If you click on an email, it opens in the center, or you can enable a preview pane to see it on the right. The mobile app looks very similar but puts the navigation at the bottom of your phone screen. Everything is labeled clearly with icons and text to make it simple.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.